Hello, my beautiful, wonderful people. This is Michelle Oliver, and I am so excited that it's February because regardless of where you are or how drab it might be, this is the month of love, and I love it for a number of reasons. So I'm going to be sharing over throughout the entire month, every single day, a video that talks about and gives you some ideas about how you can love marketing. So I'm part of a group and I follow a company called I Love Marketing. Most of the people in that group either are marketers or they love marketing because marketing has worked for them. And when something is working well and bringing in revenue, of course, you're going to love it. But for a lot of other people, it's one of the greatest challenges and headaches. So again, over the course of February, every single day, I'm going to give you a reason that you can apply yourself or you can get help that will really help you love marketing. And this is the month of love. So I'm really excited to announce that it's also a great time for a reset. And that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video. And this is going to be a relationship of love, l'amour, or l'amore. So welcome to the month of February, everybody. Go out there and make it a great day for somebody else. That makes it a great day for you as well. Michelle Oliver, Digital Unlimited. Talk soon.